All right, so we're here outside of Denver, Colorado, and today my friend Brady and I are gonna go up to the mountains, somewhere called something. I've never heard of it. He says it's pretty cool, but
it's Chris, and we're going to the top of it.
Let's go. Woo!
Looks dope, right? Well, stay tuned to the end of the episode and I'll tell you exactly how you can go to the exact same location. Let's get back to the vlog.
Well, Hatchet was supposed to come into town, but he got sick. We tried to get him here. He didn't make it. I had a sign this morning, actually, when I woke up. The sign said, "The mountains are calling you." So I decided the Mike concert won't happen and we're just going to the mountains.
So we're gonna cut off the main road here onto a little Forest Service road. About 2.5, 3, 4, 5, maybe 20 miles, I don't know. But we'll end up at the top of the mountain.
GoPro, where's the GoPro?
Man, I don't know, I saw something flying earlier. I don't know what it is. Maybe look out the sunroof, bro.
Now we're gonna film the side, so hopefully there's some water or something.
Hey, Chris, you know the water's on this side, right?
Hopefully this holds. If not, Costco, we're gonna get another one. Crash test, 10 out of 10. You're going to the tippy top of that mountain right there. Let's go. Yay! We used to work out. What in God's name are we doing?
Dropping the air pressure. Make the tires softer, they'll soak up a little of the hits from the rocks and make Princess Chris's ride a little more smooth.
Let's go.
How smooth? This smooth. That was pretty smooth, but here's what actually happened.
Bumpy out here.
It's a lot bumpy.
I like it though.
We're rocking and rolling, my guy.
How close are we to the top?
See that?
No.
It's right there. It's that close.
Let me get a different
Is
angle.
it like a little...
It's just up over that ridge?
Right up on that ridge.
All right, let's go. I like it.
Yep.
Shorts for swimming.
Yeah, I like that. Where are we swimming? I'll show you. Check it. Woo-hoo!
Stick around, you won't want to miss our cold plunge here in a couple minutes. It was Brady's first time and my first time in an Alpine lake, and it was friggin' hilarious and chaotic all at the same time. Let's get back to the vlog.
We're down. Holy Good thing we got stabilizers. My God.
Looking good.
Looking good. A little wide angle.
How's the beard?
Oh, dude, the beard is glowing. This is where he takes all the girls on their first date. All right, yeah, you got like literally 6 inches. 6 inches. That's really good. Due to some dude on a motorcycle, we have to walk the rest. So we made it to a cave, but it's raining. God damn it. We're gonna get a dope drone shot. It's gonna be blue skies and no clouds at the top. Fingers crossed.
Ooh, didn't too much grass.
Dude, this is gnarly.
13,200 feet.
Oh, even that's a cool shot. God, I can't stop filming the mountains.
Top of the world. Dude.
Woo! We got so f***ing lucky.
Back in the day when they built through the Continental Divide for the railroad tracks, this is what those hard boys were living in.
Woo! Come to daddy!
Was that the sickest drone shot you've ever got?
Dude, probably one of the top drone shots I've ever got. That was pretty cool, and the sun came out. Dude, this is sick.
Yeah, this is a good place.
Brady will take you here for $1,000. You say? Yeah, I'm gonna throw a rock at you. Oh, woo!
Oh,
Show me what you got.
some of that pink drink.
We're about to go down just a little bit.
Damn, who's that handsome devil?
What's up, girl? Oh, that's me. What's up, girl?
There's some spots on the way that we gotta hit on the way back for some photography and some video shots. And then we're also gonna cook
A little mountain mill.
This is our campsite for the next 6 minutes. What you got in store for lunch for us, bruh?
A little broil? It's gonna be good.
Ah, the cabbage.
Cabbage man. This is called Mountain MacGyver.
Secret ingredient, sponsored by Keith Stone himself. All right, so we created a new plan. So we're gonna eat lunch, jump in this Alpine lake, and do a little cold plunge for maybe like, what, 3 minutes or so?
If I can make it.
We at least know it's warmer than 32 degrees because it's coming from that fresh piece of snow up there. It's gonna be cold, but
Crispy.
3 hours of dopamine, let's go. You just gotta walk in fast. You just gotta keep going, don't stop, don't stop. Keep going, keep going. Oh, horrible idea. Wait.
Oh, I got like 30 seconds left in me.
You got 30 seconds?
Actually, I just got numb. I'm good now.
Yeah, it takes 10 seconds. You just gotta breathe for 10, and then you gotta focus on your breath. When you lose your breath, you lose your, you get cold. 3 minutes?
I could probably do 3. What are we at? A minute?
90 seconds, you'll feel the dopamine hit. Whew. And then I just got cold as again.
Oh, dude, I can feel it in my bones. Oh.
Yeah, my metabolism's kicking in. It's about time to get out.
I'm Wim Hof, bro. I'm gonna sit in here all day.
You look like Wim Hof. I was wondering. The camera
I'm hot, baby. I'm hot. I'm not even cold anymore. I'm on a beach in Mexico. There's a hot senorita bringing me a pina colada. Hey, girl, right over here, baby. Come on. Woo!
Bro,
Chris, you came with the cameras.
the secret to cold
Look,
plunging
give me this.
is to turn the water warm. You gotta make the water warm with your mind.
All right.
I'm out.
Here you go.
Okay, let's go. We've been being for 3 drinks. Get out.
Oh, it's hot now, baby. Burn. Oh, ow. Feel the burn. Feel the burn, baby.
For the record, I don't think any of my friends would have done that with me, so they'll give you the walk-in.
Creating your own epic mountain adventure complete with a sizzling shrimp broil and exhilarating Alpine plunge. Skip the timed entry and the crowds and create more memories with your personalized experience. Hit up Brady, his information's in the description box below. Not only does he know this location, but you're also gonna see a future location in the next video coming up. Want to write your own adventure story? Then check out the Landmark Project. This awesome hoodie and gear that you saw in this episode, as well as you'll see in future episodes, was provided by them. Find the link to their gear in the description box below. And finally, get ready for another epic Colorado adventure with Brady and me dropping Friday at 3 p.m. Until then, go ahead and watch this video and subscribe to my channel over here. Thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Peace.